This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Steve Pierotti. Quite secluded 3-acre cove lot featuring a 2,400 square foot maintenance-free home. Master bedroom down. Jack and Jill bathroom for 2 additional bedrooms. Great room features 18-foot soaring ceiling with wood beams, built-in shelving and large cedar closet. Nice large mudroom laundry, 9x9, and a 19x6 covered front porch. 25x15 workshop. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Pierotti at 901-861-4808.